Hi all, I am Ashutosh Gupta. I am a practicing Scrum Master in DXC Technology, Noida. Apart from this, I am a co-organizer of Play Scrum Delhi, which organizes meetups in each and every month in Delhi. And I am an agile enthusiastic who enjoys seeing people winning. Today, we are going to discuss about servant leadership. You might have heard this name. If you are listening this word first time, you may find it weird or strange, but we'll explore this word in coming minutes. So this word consists of two words. One is servant and one is leadership. What kind of words comes in your mind when you hear servant? It may be followership, it may be taking the command, or it may be understanding the command. When we talk about leadership, what kind of words are coming into your mind? There will be lot many things: good communication skills, good listening skills, motivation, inspiring, clear goal, decision making. There are lot many things which comes this leadership umbrella. We are going to explore more about it through some activities. The first activity is, I want you to take out your phone, go to the setting, check your battery optimization, and tell me what are the apps which are using the maximum amount of your battery. Avoid Google updates or iOS update or any kind of other updates. Just regular apps which you use each and every day. What did you find? Most probably you must have found some social media apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, or you may have found some video streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or YouTube. There can be some games also, like today's famous game is PUBG, or Candy Crush, or even Tomcat. Do you find anything which is common in these apps? You may say that these are the most popular apps, most maximum number of users are using these apps. Why they are using? If you'll see closely, every app is giving power to their users. Like Facebook, Instagram, they give power to share what you want. For certain apps, there are settings which can customize the feed for you. Like if you want to see any travel pics, there is an option to do it. In Instagram, you can follow only travels. Even they are modifying it each and every day. Similarly, in Facebook, if you want to hide any political drama, you can hide it, that you do not want to see these kind of posts. In YouTube also, if something any suggestion comes, you can hide it if you are not interested. So the control is with the user. Even if you use any even travel apps like Google Maps and Uber, if you see, the core is they are giving power to users to customize the content based on their needs. And what they are getting in return? You can say that money. But in return, they are giving the followership. As much power they are giving to users, users are giving compounding power to them. So we can conclude it that if you give power to your users will empower you.